Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about TV broadcasting. So, our objective for this discussion is to understand what TV broadcasting is, its different types, and how it can guide us as a campus journalist. Television broadcasting is the electronic transmission of audiovisual content from a TV station to a large audience at the same time. So this content can include news, entertainment, and educational programs and public service announcement. So broadcast signals are transmitted through terrestrial transmitters, cable systems, or satellites. And viewers receive these signals through televisions or other compatible devices. So in simple terms, TV broadcasting is a form of mass communication because it allows many people to watch the same program at the same time. So making it an important tool for informing, entertaining, and educating the public. Now let's proceed to the historical development of TV broadcasting. Television broadcasting started with experimental transmission in the 1920s. So on July 2, 1928, the first American TV station W3XK began broadcasting, we have fellow Taylor, who developed the first fully electronic television system which made modern TV possible. So early TV broadcasts were black and white, and although color TV was introduced in 1929 and it became widely adopted later. After World War II, television grew rapidly in homes and evolved from analog to digital, improving picture quality, signal clarity, and a number of channels. And television has since become a key medium for public communication, including culture, education, and daily life. We have now the types of TV broadcasting. TV broadcasting can be classified into different types based on how signals are transmitted and who can access them. So we have first the terrestrial television, which also called over-the-air TV. It transmits signals from ground-based broadcast towers to antennas on viewers' TV. It is free to air, meaning viewers do not need to pay a subscription to watch programs. A great example of that is ABS-CBN before shutdown, which provided nationwide news and entertainment programs for free. We also have GMA Network, which offers news, public service, and cultural programs accessible to all households. We also have BBC One in UK, which delivers public broadcasting, news, and educational content to audiences across the UK. So terrestrial TV is important because it ensures that everyone can access information, including students and communities, without cable or internet. Now we have cable television. Cable television delivers signals through coaxial or fiber optic cables directly to homes. So it usually requires a subscription and provides more channels, clearer signals, and specialized programs. And a great example of that is we have Sky Cable, which offers news, sports, and entertainment channels. We also have the Signal, which provides high definition content and specialized programs. We also have Comcast Xfinity in USA, which offers a wide variety of channels, including news, movies, and educational content. So cable TV allows for organized programming and premium content, which can guide campus journalists in planning structured broadcasts and consistent schedules. Now let's proceed to the satellite television or direct broadcast satellite, or the DBS. So satellite television transmits signals from satellites in orbit directly to satellite dishes in viewers' homes. And this method ensures coverage of large areas, including remote or rural locations. A great example of that is GSAT, which reaches far areas with news and entertainment. We also have the Signal HD offers high quality channels accessible nationwide. And we also have the Direct TV in USA that provides TV services across wide geographic areas. So, the satellite TV shows how broadcasting can overcome geographic challenges, allowing audiences everywhere to stay informed, similar to how campus media can share content online for wider reach. Now let's proceed to the local television. Local television focuses on regional or community content like local news, events, and public service announcement. So it is usually regulated to give airtime for local programs. And a great example of that is TV Patrol in North Luzon, Philippines, that covers news and events specific to Northern Luzon. We also have the Kapampangan channel, which highlights local culture, traditions, and language. We also have the local TV that teaches us the importance of community, focus on reporting, which is very similar to campus journalism, where school or student life is the focus. Now, the last one is outside broadcasting. So, outside broadcasting is the production of live events outside the main studio. So, it is used for sports, concerts, elections, or festivals using mobile production units. So, a great examples of this is Palarong Pambansa in the Philippines, which live coverage of school sports events nationwide. We also have the ESPN Live Sports broadcast, which provides real-time sports coverage globally. And we also have the ABS-CBN Holy Week coverage, which shows live religious events for public viewing. So, outside broadcasting is very important because it allows audiences to experience events as they happen because it's live. And in campus journalism, this is similar to covering live school programs, sports events, or school celebrations. In summary, TV broadcasting is a versatile and powerful medium that delivers information, education, and entertainment to audiences in different ways. The different types, which is we have terrestrial, cable, satellite, local, and outside broadcasting, it shows how TV reach wide audiences, focus on local communities, and cover live events. So for campus journalism students, understanding these types is valuable because it teaches how to report clearly, plan content, and deliver news responsibly, whether for school announcement, campus events, or student-produced video programs. So that concludes our discussion on TV broadcasting. Thank you for listening and watching, and we hope you gain knowledge that can guide you as future journalists and broadcasters.